What's up, guys? It's Pandora the Cryptobabe. How's everybody doing out there on April Fool's Day? It's no joke. Happy Monday. Happy Monday on April Fool's Day, guys. Hope you had a wonderful Easter weekend. Welcome back, guys. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor. Smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me. And click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, if you haven't checked out my crypto projects, do yourself a favor. Go check them out. The link is in the description. www.coffeeandcoins.info. See what I got going on. Alright, we're back with a update for Stable Swap. Actually, the clock is ticking. I meant to do a video for you guys yesterday, but I was super swamped with the new launch. Woo! With our digital marketing program. But anyway, they have a promo. It's only a few hours left. So I'm trying to get this video out first thing this morning. If you're so interested in checking out Stable Swap, loving it, loving it, loving it. We had 2,290 providers. Liquidity 2,673,135 liquidity. All right, this thing is growing and growing and growing. I'm loving Stable Swap, another staple, okay, in my portfolio because it's slow and steady. It's not a hype. They're doing their thing. Shout out to Danny D in the gang. All right, he's doing a great job over there. So they've got a promo, guys. So as you see right here, 300 days, 0.49% per day. The normal daily rewards is 0.35. So they've got an Easter promo. You only got a few hours left on it. So if you're interested in getting started, link is in the description. www.coffeeandcoins.info. They got the short term for 0.10% per day. 60 days, then they have the 120 days, 0.2%, 0.20% per day. This is a 7-day-a-week platform. They don't trade crypto at all, okay? So that's the other thing that I like, okay? Stable. They offer the over-the-counter services, right? They're out of the Philippines, and this thing is going very well. I'm loving it. They launched in November 2023. And it's going well. What can I say? I've got several stakes here. I've made some withdrawals from the platform. No issues, no drama. It's going very smoothly. These programs I have right now, they really don't take a lot of attention. You know, when I was with my hypes, I had to constantly, I'm staying on top of this as well, but I'm just saying it was constant changes a lot. Right? These are just running smooth, like a well-oiled machine, okay? There's not a lot of drastic changes going on. You know, it's just running, doing its thing. So, we've got several liquidity provisions here, as you can see. And we've got over here, let's see here. Look at some rewards that we've earned. This is 7 days, so it hasn't started for today yet, but you can see from yesterday. I believe we got 10 of these in here now. So but I'm gonna go ahead. I see I've got some rewards. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and add another long term. We have made some withdrawals in the platform as well. Transactions here, all you got to do is switch your days up here. See, I've made some withdrawals. If I switch the calendar, it'll switch. Got some affiliate commission. Shout out to everybody that's gotten started. Welcome aboard. I'm really liking Stable Swap here. So let's go back over to the dashboard. Yes, we got some coins right here. This thing earns pretty quickly. We cleared it out last week, and it's right back up again. Okay. So with this one, it's a passive platform, so you don't have to refer anybody if you don't want to. You can just earn passively. But if you do, Refer others, you can earn 5%. It's only one level. They don't have any levels here. They've cleared those out. They only had 3, but they cleared out level 2 and level 3. So it's only one level, guys. You're going to earn 5%. That's it on the first level, on that one level. Then they also have what they call AFS, where they offer 10% if you have a minimum of 100 liquidity in here, right? Right here it tells you that. Gotta have at least 100 in liquidity, and you will earn 10% off of all your folks. So in other words, if I earned $50 a day, you signed me up, you're gonna earn 10% off my 50 a day. Every day you're gonna earn 10% off my 50 every day, 7 days a week, guys. That's powerful. Very, very powerful. The AFS bonus is what they call it. All right. Again, it's not a hype, but it's slow and steady, and it's here for the long term. Again, I don't have a crystal ball. Okay, I am not a financial advisor, but this is what I see for me. All right, so check this thing out. They've got here in the dashboard, they only operate in 2 coins, USDT and USDC. So you can see right here. And if you'd like to get started, you definitely want to use risk capital, guys. Okay, only part crypto in here you can afford to lose, right? So you would click deposit. Here are the 2 coins, USDT and USDC. All you would do is make your selection. You got your Tron chain, your Ethereum chain, your Binance chain on USDT. If you wanted USDC, you got Ethereum chain and Binance chain. All right, and of course, depending on which chain you select, the deposit may be different. All right, so if you select USDT, Tron, the deposit minimum is 50. If you do not deposit exactly 50 in here, if it falls below 50, they're going to charge you $3.50. So make sure you pay attention and put in here what's required. All right, and you see if we switch it to Ethereum, it's 250. Okay, and the minimum is 250. So they're going to charge you 20 bucks if you don't put in 250. So make sure you pay attention to that. All right, so pretty simple there, deposit. You can see the QR code is going to appear. Just send your crypto right over. All right, and they're going to show up, the deposit will show up in one of these boxes depending on which coin you selected. All right, and it'll be up here. Okay, then step 2 would be to select your liquidity pool. Right, so if you make your deposit, step 2, come over here and select your liquidity pool. All right, for an example, so if I selected the 300 day, I will click here and see it will show the balance here. Type the amount here. The minimum is 25 with this one, and then go ahead and accept the terms, and then click confirm, and boom, you have yourself a liquidity pool, a provision. Okay, you can have as many of these as you like. Very easy platform. So you have your deposit, then you have your withdrawal. Your withdrawal minimum is 50. You can withdraw any day and every day as long as you got 50 in here to withdraw from. Right, it need to be 50. Okay, and same thing goes is USDT and USDC. All right, just put your you don't have to connect your wallet up here. You can just go along as you want to withdraw. Right, so if you want to withdraw, you click withdraw, select your coin, and then put your wallet address here, and then the amount, minimum 50. Okay, click submit, and it's not instant, but it will happen in a matter of hours or no more than 24 hours. I haven't had any issues with that. And of course, if you want to transfer some crypto within the platform to another member, all you would need is their username and email. Put the amount here. The minimum is $25, and there is a 0.5% fee on that. Okay, if you transfer crypto within. But if you want to give someone a gift, right, you can give them an actual provision. You come over here, you click liquidity pool. Right here it says gift liquidity. Come here and select which term you want to give them. You're gifting them, and it's not going to cost you a fee. So you select that, and then you select the coin, and you're going to need their username and email and the amount you want to send them. Okay, and it's 50. Looks like it, I think it was 25. They must have changed it. Looks like it's 50 now. All right, and then you just send that, you're gifting someone. So that's awesome. You select the actual term, the whole provision, and you just send it right over. And it'll show up in their dashboard right here. Okay, so I think that's pretty great. Pretty great. And then they got this little calculator here if you want to play around with this and kind of see what the projected potential gains would be. Just type the amount here, and this little calculator will give you the numbers. All right, and what you can expect. All right, pretty cool. That's about it, guys. Of course, this tab is your affiliates, and then of course your history, which I just looked at here. Rewards, transactions, affiliate history. I don't have OTC because OTC, the over-the-counter services itself, is not in my country. All right, they're in the Philippines right now, but they are going to be expanded. I think India is next. All right, so another pretty cool platform to get started in. So we're at 631.61, 133 in rewards. So we've got this amount. So guess what? I want to take advantage of that promo they've got, 0.49%. So I'm just gonna go here. It's already here. See, it's already in the dashboard right here, right? So all I have to do is go to liquidity pool, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the 300 days. That's the one they got the promo on. 26.77. Let's do another one. Why don't we? We made a withdrawal the other week. And so coming up, we'll do a withdrawal on the next one. All right, let's see what it says. Insufficient. What do we do? Hold on. I think you can put this in here. Let's see. Yep, no cents. Okay, I took the cents off. Just the 26. All right, USDT, new liquidity, 26.49%. I'll take it. Why not? Boom, we just got a new liquidity added. Okay, guys, just that simple. That is it. And we go back to dashboard. Look, we cleared it out. All right, so there you have it. Another one for the books. Shout out to Stable Swap. Thank you so much for checking out the video, guys. Happy April Fool's Day. All right. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right. Go check out my crypto projects at www.coffeeandcoins.info. See you on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a best day.